Night mission?
Night mission. The 101st was massing up for the big push up the causeway. Sergeant Hassey sent me with 3 guys to check out a bombed Château. We needed it for an aid station. I had DeSola, Allen, and Garnett.
Were there any other sergeants or officers around?
No, it was just us. Stragglers were showing up all the time, but 3rd Platoon lost half its sergeants the first day. I guess that expedited my promotion.
This would have been a nice little house if we hadn't bombed the holy shit out of it.
Just recon, right?
I don't know, DeSola. Every time I hear the word scout or recon, I bring extra ammo.
Just seems like it's never over.
What?
Just thinking out loud.
Well, I don't know about you, Alan, but I ain't getting shot over a stupid Château. Let's get moving.
What's wrong?
Allen and Garnett died the next morning. DeSola was the day after.
Do you need a minute? Sergeant Hartzar, do you need a minute?
No, sir. I'm fine. Let's keep going.
DeSola! Move! Fast!
Got it! Okay, Red.
Give me some goddamn fire!
Pouring it on!
Taking some fire! Reloading! Heavy banks of fire! There! Now!
Here we go! Jesus, they're shooting us down, Red! He's down!
Hurry up! Over there! Fire now!
Oh, shit! Back. I can't hit him! Covering fire!
I need you over there! There! Put your fire there!
Fire it!
Set up there! Give me a base of fire on that position! I need you over there! Hurry up, over there!
Roger that! God damn it!
Shit, there's more! He's down!
Get on his flank!
Keep shooting! Keep shooting!
Get down!
Another down! Move now! There! Put your fire there!
Covering fire!
Hurry up, over there!
On it! was just one big pile of bullshit! Got it!
I need you over there!
Oh, shit! We got Jerry's! Okay, Red! Down! Flank him!
I'm throwing a grenade! Get cover there!
I need a get down! He's dead! Can't stay here, Red! Another down!
Move your asses!
You guys were sent here too? It's dark as hell out here, so I'm gonna need you to be my eyes, Corporal.
Get rolling! Give me some goddamn fire! Desola! Move there! Move now! Let's give them all we got! That's all you got! Head over there! Move now! Head over there!
Covering fire!
Get out of here, Red!
Who wants the first bullet?
Desola! Base of fire! Over there!
Run away, Red! Fire in! Here we go! Add one to my
Another
down!
I need you over there! Desola!
Passive out!
Put the fire on!
Pouring it on!
Start firing there! Get away! Damn it! Move! Give me a base of fire on that position! Pistola! Move! Fast! Take cover there! Cover me with all you got!
Okay, Red. First bullet.
Go! Let's give them all we got!
Covering fire. Good shot there, Red. Covering fire.
Give them hell!
Fire
now! Move!
down!
Move! Now!
I need a better position!
Take that position!
Suppress! Keep it up! He's down! They're all dead!
Armor! There! Cover me with all you got! Desola! Get cover there! Give them hell! Desola! I need you over there!
Get down!
Go!
Covering fire! They're suppressed!
Desola! I need suppressing fire! Everyone! Assault! Go! Cover me with all you got! Move! That way! Full move! Now! Suppress! Desola! Move your asses! Shift fire! Shift fire! Hit that enemy hard!
Oh, shit!
Desola! Keep up the fire! Desola! Suppressing fire!
Out! I'm out! Pouring it on! Right, get down!
Château! Move your asses! Go! Head over there! Attack that son of a bitch! Heavy fire on that armor! For these bastards! Move now! Suppress! Ship! Fire! Ship! Fire! Get rolling! Put some fire on him! Pouring it on! He's down! Move that fucking tank over there! Charge! Over there! I need you over there! Move your ass! Assault! Speed! Move in fast and keep firing! You over there! Take out that artillery! Just so hurry up over there! Get a fall in!
Hop in the back, guys!